Alright, okay guys, this is Snowfit treadmill. So this is one heavy package. I just bought this from Snowfit Indonesia. So this is basically what's in the box. So I already cut the box, bring this box upstairs, and it took two person to be able to lift this or drag this along the stairs, and it's very heavy. So as you can see here, that is the box, the cover, the lid of the box, the cover of the box, the top. This is the inside of the box. So I believe this is the handles. So I'm going to take this. Right, I'm going to put it away. One foam cover, protection for shipping. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to Alright, so I'm going to remove everything and put it aside. So I'll come back after this. Alright, so the beast is out of the box now. It's very heavy. Alright, this is basically the box. I'm literally sweating. So I'm not quite sure if that is intended. So this side here is okay, but this side here it seems like there's a gap there. So I might need to investigate that later. Alright, so I've taken out the foam wrapping. Make sure not to cut this wire, because this wire basically I almost cut this wire. Right, so this wire basically hidden inside the foam. So if you're cutting the foam away, remember there's a wire underneath the foam. So the unit comes with bag of screws and tools, and then there's a user manual there. I'm a man, I don't need user manual. Nah, later I'm going to refer that. And also a heat unit here. This is the head unit. So I reckon this is just a simple head unit with these two battery here. This is just a AAA battery. There's a 2, and we need to put it inside and then later mount that over there. Alright, so this is just a mounting for your phone. Alright, should be very simple. You have like scan, calorie, time, PD, speed, distance, odometer, so something like that. So which is very simple. That's it. Literally you need to put 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 8 screws, and down there just a retainer. There's another 2 to hold for this pole. Right, so yeah, now this box is just a pile of garbage. I'm not going to give it a try, but still you need to adjust your, maybe later, not tonight. Alright, not tonight. So it seems the LCD is working, the speed is working. Alright, so if you move this, it seems like the material that they use here is going to be pretty stiff. The belt here down down there, the roller, the bearing and everything. It seems to be screen very sturdy. Material here also is very tough. Handle here also, yeah. So no power needed, no need to connect to power outlet, and you're good to go. So I'm going to try this tomorrow. So the hardest part here is to bring this box upstairs, and that's it. And this is basically the size compared to my other gym equipment. So this is basically quite small gym. So this is the new addition. My old treadmill is already broken, the motor is broken, so it cannot be used. Now this is motorless, so I'm the one who's going to power this treadmill. Right, so windmill, Snowfit Windrunner. So this is the 2,500 ringgit version. There's another version, Windrunner Pro, that will cost you like 4,000 plus I believe. Yeah. Alright, it's already late, so I'm going to continue tomorrow and give it a try how this treadmill fare.